Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Mahaperiva Sharanam. In Kali Yuga, the best puja is Sumangali Puja. Sumangali Puja or Sumangali Prarthanai is conducted in many families every year in remembrance of the ladies who passed away in the family as Sumangali. Sumangali is married women. It is believed that doing Sumangali Puja removes all our sins and doshas. If everyone in the family are not able to get together to perform the puja, at least each family should perform it in a small scale, is Paramacharya's wish and advice. Once an old couple came to visit Mahaswami. They brought a plate full of fruits, flowers, silk sari and blouse for goddess Kamakshi. Since they came from Mayavaram, Mahaperiva asked them, "As you are coming from Kaveri riverbed, have you done your Tulas Snanam?" The couple replied that, "Yes, Swami, we have done Tulas Snanam." He said, "Okay," and asked them, "Many Sumangalis will come to Kaveri for Tulas Snanam, right?" The couple again replied, "Yes, Swami, many Sumangalis will come." He said, Okay. So, are you performing the usual Sumangali Puja in your house regularly?" As soon as the couple heard this, their face turned pale. They said, "It was happening regularly earlier, Periva, but now it has been years since the puja was conducted." Saying this, the lady started crying. Her husband consoled her and continued talking to Mahaperiva. "Swami, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My sister passed away 3 years ago. Before that also, we missed to perform Sumangali Puja. Now there is no dearth for luxury in our house, but none of us are happy. My 5 years old grandson has not started to speak yet. My older daughter-in-law is battling blood cancer. We came here to tell all our sorrows to Periva." Hearing this, Mahaperiva was silent for some time. He then said, "I will give the flowers and fruits that you have brought itself as prasadam to you. Ask your daughter-in-law to drape the silk sari. But after this, ask her to quit purchasing silk. We don't need such luxuries, and silk is not superior. Please offer this flower to your family deity. Along with this, you have to do one more thing." Saying this, he paused. The couple immediately said, "We will do whatever Periva orders. Please let us know what has to be done." He said, "On your sister's death anniversary, donate thread sari, blouse piece, betel leaves, nuts, turmeric and other auspicious items to 108 Sumangalis. Along with this, if possible, do Annadanam or donate food to them." He assured after this everything will be fine and blessed them. The family followed the procedure as per Periva's orders, and within 3 years their grandson started talking. Their daughter-in-law's cancer was completely cured and the family was happy. Sumangali Puja or Sumangali Prarthanai is very important, and Mahaperiva has insisted that every family should conduct it at least once a year. Jai Jai Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara.